Welcome to your daily tree vocab. The word for today is EWIEMHY3N. EWIEMHY3N means aeroplane. EWIEMHY3N. Noun. Ewiem is the sky. Ewiem is the sky. Ewiem is the sky. Hyɛn means vehicle. Hyɛn means vehicle. So, EWIEMHY3N literally means a vehicle in the sky. EWIEMHY3N literally means vehicle in the sky. Let's form some sentences with the word EWIEMHY3N. The first example. Wehunu EWIEMHY3N da. Wehunu EWIEMHY3N da. Have you seen an aeroplane before? Have you seen an aeroplane before? Wehunu EWIEMHY3N da. Have you seen an aeroplane before? The second example. Ode EWIEMHY3N na ekɔ Kumase. Ode EWIEMHY3N na ekɔ Kumase. He went to Kumase by air. He went to Kumase by air. Go ahead. Form sentences with today's vocab in the comment section below. See you tomorrow. Mesdames,